Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open the Find My app now and select your Airpods as the device. You need Bluetooth and location on because directions rely on the last known connection and proximity. Once done, tap directions to load a map and heading guidance. This starts the real-time locating process. You'll see distance and an arrow move toward that arrow. Make sure to keep the app open because it updates as devices communicate. That's why you start here. Follow the arrow and watch the distance readout while you walk. Slow, deliberate steps improve accuracy. If your phone supports live view, use it. Augmented overlays will point you visually, which cuts search time. Once the distance drops into Bluetooth range, tap play sound so you can hear the Airpods. That audio confirms exact placement. Keep moving until the sound is loudest, and make sure to check pockets under cushions and behind furniture, as the signal can reflect. And once you recover the Airpods, stop the sound and confirm they reconnect in Bluetooth settings so they're usable again. If directions couldn't find them, open Last Seen on the map and retrace your route while watching the app. Sometimes motion or interference shifts the signal. If nothing works, reset the Airpods, toggle location services, or try Find My from another device signed into your Apple ID. These steps refresh their reporting and often resolve stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.